statement about polygons are true. So before I even look at these, a polygon is any closed shape with line segments for sides. So you are a polygon because these are all lines and this is closed. You are a polygon because these are all straight lines and you are closed. You are not a polygon because you're circular. You are not a polygon because it's open, so I need something with straight lines that are closed. So the lines may be curved? Nope. All polygons have exactly 4 sides? Nope. All polygons have at least 3 sides? The sides are always the same length? Well, no. I mean, I can make a polygon that looks like this real quick. Bang, 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 and that's a polygon. Okay, so no. So all polygons have at least 3 sides. And if you're like, well, why can't I make a shape with 2 sides? Go ahead. Try to make a shape with 2 sides. You can't, because you're going to have to eventually close it, and so you need a 3rd side to close it. So at least 3 sides, that's going to be our polygon. At least 3 means 3 or more. The answer is C.